Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Shortcuts and the app whose icon you want to mimic. Once done, make sure you have the replacement image ready. A square PNG or JPEG around 512px works best for clarity. Now tap the Shortcuts button to edit it. This gives you access to the details and icon options. Don't skip checking that the shortcut runs correctly first, because changing the image won't fix a broken action chain, and you'll waste time on visuals alone. Next, tap the icon preview in the edit screen and pick Choose Photo or Choose File depending on where your image is stored. When you select the image, crop and position it to fully fill the circular or rounded square frame. This ensures the subject remains visible after iOS masks the corners. Make sure the icon has high contrast and minimal small text so it's legible at home screen size. Once selected, confirm and return to the main edit page to save the change. To finish, tap the Share or Settings menu and choose Add to Home Screen so the new picture and label are applied. After adding, check the home screen for clarity and correct shortcut behavior. If the image appears blurry, swap it for a higher resolution PNG and re-add the shortcut. Transparency helps edges but keep main content centered. If the shortcut doesn't run, open Shortcuts, test each action step by step, fix errors, and then recreate the home screen shortcut to ensure the updated icon.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.